In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix your Channel 5 app not working. So if you're having problems, as I did before, that your Channel 5 app, that it's not working for you and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what we need to do firstly is that we need to actually close the Channel 5 app, and instead we're going to go into the Settings app on our phone, and in here just scroll down and click on General. So now in General, scroll down in here once again and click on Storage. And now on the storage section in here, swipe up, click on Search here, and then we're going to search for Channel 5, as you can see, and click on Channel 5. Then click on Offload App, and once again in here, click on Offload App. And now just click on Reinstall App in here, as you can see, and wait for this loading process here to finish. And that should take you a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes depending on your connection. But as you can see, now it's done, so you can now go back into your Channel 5 app and try once again. If it still is not working for you, it might be because the complete Channel 5 app is down for everybody, and then you just need to wait maybe a couple of minutes and try once again. But hopefully now it's going to work for you.